Question 1. Which of the following constitutes the descending part of the plant axis? A. Branches, B. Leaves, C. Stem, D. Root. Correct answer is D. Question 2. Roots developed from parts of the plant other than radicle are called A. Tap roots, B. Fibrous roots, C. Adventitious roots, D. All of these. Correct answer is C. Question 3. Sweet potato is a modified A. Tap root, B. Adventitious root, C. Stem, D. Rhizome. Correct answer is B. Question 4. The root swollen in the middle and tapering gradually towards both the ends is called A. Napiform, B. Fusiform, C. Moniliform, D. Tuberous. Correct answer is B. Question 5. Pneumatophores occur in A. Carnivorous plants, B. Free-floating hydrophytes, C. Halophytes, D. Submerged hydrophytes. Correct answer is C. Question 6. Root cap has no role in absorption of water because it has A. Cells arranged loosely, B. No cells containing chloroplast, C. No root hair, D. No direct connection with the vascular system. Correct answer is A. Question 7. Which of the following is not correct? A. In maize, roots arise from the base of stem, B. In bryophyllum, roots arise from leaf, C. Carrot, Daucus carota, have napiform root, D. Mangroves, e.g. Rhizophora, have respiratory roots. Pneumatophores. Correct answer is C. Question 8. Which of the following is a flowering plant with nodules containing filamentous nitrogen-fixing microorganism? A. Casuariana equisetifolia, B. Crotalaria junsa, C. Cycas revoluta, D. Cicer arietinum. Correct answer is B. Question 9. Stem tendril is not present in A. Passion flower, Passiflora, B. Grapevine, Vitis, C. Groundnut, Arachis hypogea, D. Lemon, Citrus. Correct answer is D. Question 10. Stems modified into flat green organs performing the functions of leaves are known as A. Phyllodes, B. Phyloclades, C. Scales, D. Cladodes. Correct answer is B. Question 11. Which of the following is not a filiclade? A. Opuntia, B. Euphorbia, C. Ruscus, D. Asparagus. Correct answer is D. Question 12. Which of the following is not a stem modification? A. Thorns of citrus, B. Tendrils of cucumber, C. Flattened structures of Opuntia, D. Pitcher of Nepenthes. Correct answer is D. Question 13. Which of the following is a group of rhizomes? A. Allium sapa, Canna, Zingiber, B. Canna, Zingiber, curcuma, C. Allium sativum, Amomum, curcuma, D. Cynodon, Canna, Allium sapa. Correct answer is B. Question 14. Study the following and choose the incorrect statements. I. Bulb of Allium sapa is a modified stem. 2. Cloves of Allium sativum are fleshy scale leaves. 3. Core of Colocasia is a modified root. IV. Tendril in Vitis vinifera is a modified axillary bud. Codes. A. I and 2, B. 2 and IV. C. 2 and 3, D. I and IV. Correct answer is C. Question 15. Tripinnate leaves occur in A. Acacia, B. Oxalis, C. Moringa, D. Gynandropsis. Correct answer is C. Question 16. The modification of petiole into leaf-like structure is called A. Filiclade, Opuntia, B. Cladode, Asparagus, C. Phyllodes, Australian acacia, D. Leaf tendril, Pisum sativum. Correct answer is C. Question 17. A small aquatic herb in which a portion of leaf forms a tiny sac or bladder which traps water insects is A. Dionea, B. Utricularia, C. Drosera, D. Sarracenia. Correct answer is B. Question 18. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Alternate phyllotaxy, Mangifera indica, B. World phyllotaxy, Cydium gajava, C. Opposite superimposed phyllotaxy, Eugenia, D. Opposite decussate, Calotropis procera. Correct answer is B. Question 19. The incorrect statement is A. In Nepenthes, the lamina forms a pitcher-like structure. B. Utricularia leaves modify to form bladder-like structure. C. Drosera leaves are reproductive in nature. D. Bryophyllum leaves help in vegetative propagation. Correct answer is C. Question 20. Edible part of cauliflower is A. Bud, B. Inflorescence, C. Flower, D. Fruit. Correct answer is B. Please subscribe the channel for more important MCQ for NEET.